This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a great air fryer potato. We're going to peel them and cube them small, about 1.5 inches thick. And I'm going to season them with salt and garlic. Just about a couple of teaspoons each. Great to go with our whole chicken that we're making for dinner tonight. Something different. Then we're going to have it with steamed vegetables, broccoli. But first, before we go into my kitchen and get cooking, let's look for that subscribe button and smash on it. Don't forget to tap on that bell and give this video a big thumbs up. This video is going to be about prepping potatoes for the air fryer. We're going to make some really great crispy roasted potatoes in the air fryer to go with our chicken tonight. And we're going to have it with broccoli. The chicken, I have a full video on chicken prep, but I use about 3 teaspoons of black pepper and garlic, a tablespoon of cooking oil, or extra virgin, whatever you have, 4 celery stalks chopped. I'm out of onion, so I'm not going to be doing that. And about a pound of butter into pats, spread out all over the bird and inside the bird. I'm going to put about 3 teaspoons of onion soup mix on it as well to give that onion flavor, because Monday is round 2 meal day, and we'll be doing a full video on how to make bone-in chicken broth soup. For dessert tonight, I made this awesome deep dish blueberry pie. I'm not a baker or a pie baker, my first one ever, so I'm very proud of myself that I didn't ruin it, and my kids are super excited. So I put about 3 teaspoons of the onion soup mix over the chicken, and I sprinkle some along the sides with the celery and a small well of water, because that's what we're going to be basting the chicken, because the chicken is going to drip into the roasting pan. I'm going to rotate it every half hour. Every half hour we're going to baste it with all the juices that we created at the bottom of the pan. And all the juices at the bottom of the pan and everything in it are going to go into my crock pot for tomorrow and house the pre-broth that I make with the bouillon cubes, and including the carcass with the leftover chicken. I'm going to make an incredible pot of chicken soup for tomorrow. My husband is going to put it into the oven. My husband's putting it into the oven. I'm going to pick out some potatoes so I can put them into the air fryer to have a nice air fryer roasted crispy potatoes to go with the chicken and some broccoli. These are the potatoes I picked out, and my husband's going to cube them small. And we're going to season them with some pepper and garlic for the air fryer. And he's looked up the directions online on how to preheat it and how to cook them in the air fryer in the little drawer here. And they're going to be awesome cubed seasoned potatoes to go with the chicken for dinner tonight. Nice beautiful russets that we get at our BJ's bulk store. And I usually buy potatoes once a week, a 5-pound bag. That is what we go through. I have potatoes for Tuesday's dinner because we don't do potatoes on round 2 meal nights with the chicken soup tomorrow. We usually just have soup and sometimes garlic bread to go with it, or a sandwich. The final basting of the chicken. Look at how golden brown and awesome it looks. Now we're going to take care of the potatoes for the air fryer and show you how it's done. And then lastly, we're going to do the steamable broccoli in the microwave. My husband's going to quickly rinse the potatoes, and then we're going to get the air fryer set up. Then I'm going to take care of this produce because all the leftovers is going to go into the crock pot for tomorrow's delicious round 2 meal for round 2 meal on Monday. He's preheating it to what?
400.
400 degrees, the air fryer. And I'm going to show you how to do the potatoes. He usually doesn't peel, he just slices it very thin. And then he cubes them smaller. And we're going to season them with black pepper and garlic. I'll show you what they look like when they're done and as they go into the air fryer. I'm going to cube them small, about 1.5 inches thick.
Make sure they cook.
That is our deep dish blueberry pie that we're going to have for dessert tonight that you see next to the cutting board. New video premieres tomorrow night, 7:30 p.m. And how long did it preheat for? Like 400.
Should preheat for 5 minutes. That'll give it, make sure it's at the 400 temp.
Gonna spray it. And we have it already set to 30 minutes. And then my husband's gonna drop the potatoes in and then season them with garlic and salt, not black pepper. I'll put pepper on myself. A little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic. Pinch the garlic bottle as you're pouring so you can control the spill. Pinch it so it doesn't come out fast. And it's going to go in for a half an hour. Ooh, look how beautiful. Nice and crispy potatoes. We did the thermometer, test them, and they are done. Broccoli's going in the microwave for how long?
5 minutes.
Then I'm going to take the potato rounds out and let them drain on the plate here. And the lid is what they look like on the plate. They're beautiful and golden brown, just like my chicken. The chicken is done. It's going to come out of the oven. It's got that pop-up timer. Waiting to see how nice this bird is. 2 for 2. We did one a few weeks back. And I'll link that video down below in my description box so you can see my whole chicken prep and how it's done. Or how we do it. David is going to transfer the chicken to our little platter here. And then all of the goodness at the bottom of the pan is going to go into this crock pot and marinate overnight for a pre-basin for my homemade broth. He's letting it finish dripping so it doesn't go all over. And here's what that beautiful golden brown bird looks like on the platter. And all of this is going to go into the crock pot, as I mentioned, for my beginning base of my soup. What they look like on the plate. They're beautiful and golden brown, just like my chicken. Here's what my plate looks like with the homemade potato rounds that we did in the air fryer. This full video will premiere Tuesday evening. And here's my chicken with the broccoli. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watching us prep the potatoes for the air fryer. You can use the air fryer for so many things. It is a very versatile, great thing to have in your home. It reduces my electric bill, so that is a win-win for me. And it gets food on your dinner table faster. Plus, it is healthier when you cook it in the air fryer because of the way the engine is kinetically engineered and made. I don't know much about that. I just think I sound like I know what I'm talking about. But I just know that the food tastes good and it's better for you. Before we go, don't forget to smash on that subscribe word. Tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up for more air fryer recipes. Thank you for watching.